at the Bach Tower Gardens in Lake Wales today. Gonna make some brownie points with a wife looking at flowers. Hey, let's look at flowers.
Okay.
En la Navidad se puede dar un poquito de
Where? Okay, bathroom. Okay. Yeah, and then the airplanes. Look at the airplanes. This is really nice. Oh wow. Oh, that's so big.
Mira como la que tengo ahí. I have that one.
That one? Okay.
The green.
Yeah. Oh, it's the wind.
The breathing?
Yeah, nice. Look at that. And on the fence. Give to the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. Yeah.
Just kept the best you have, you would have it the same. Not exactly profound.
Well, if you're saying you went around it all,
Have you looked at the map?
Let me carry something.
No, you got a map.
I don't need a map. I would carry your junk. Well, you look at the map. You filming or what?
I'm filming.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What kind of palmetto or what kind of palm is that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a different.
Native, whatever it is.
Yeah. I got sunflower, a few.
Do you have a lot of flowers in your house?
Yeah, this year I was like, oh, I didn't take care of them this year. I want to plant some more.
Plant more?
I like flowers. Ooh. Ah, yeah. That's nice. Look at that. It's different.
Male pine tree.
Male? Okay, I didn't know they got male and female.
There's the female over there.
Oh,
This is the macho.
Macho.
This is macho.
this one.
Señorita.
This is the señorita.
Yeah.
No, because they got.
Got color. Transgender.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the white flowers right there.
We don't see many male plants, yeah?
Go up for the kitchen or over there?
You want to go to the kitchen.
Kitchens.
We'll go to the kitchen at home.
Why do they call it kitchen garden? Nice. The flowers just. Yeah.
Tiene una palomera.
Porque tiene unas cositas.
Ah,
Mira cómo se ve, mira. ¿Ese qué?
And there's a yellow butterfly right there.
Yep.
Hmm?
It's the kitchen garden of vegetables.
Okay. Ah. Do you want to cross there? Oh, the
Those are
sugar
flower
cane.
peach trees.
Where?
There are no peaches on them,
Oh, yeah.
but peach trees. Can you go down there now?
Oh, this is a vegetable
walkway.
garden. Yeah, okay. Sugar cane, right? Sugar cane, yeah. Ah, they got tiny little fruit. Yeah.
Grapes.
Grapes?
Let's go down grapes.
Okay.
Just start blooming. Blackberries.
What is this one?
Blackberry falling.
Yeah.
The tallest blackberry. Mira las
There's
cebollas.
onions. Oh wow, look at those. That's so pretty.
Esta es la cebolla blanca.
And this is edible?
Mm-hmm. Cabbage.
Yeah. It gets like purple in
That's
the middle.
radicchia, no?
Yes, yeah. Gosh. Look at those. And then onions on the side. Welsh onion.
These raised beds are easy.
What is that kind of?
I think that's
This one I love with this.
I forget what the hell it is.
This?
Onion?
No, that one. They look like onion, yeah.
Yeah, this
No,
is
no, no.
Welsh onion, and that's what you call that thing?
Leek. What?
Leeks. Leeks. Yeah.
That's for the soup.
Mm-hmm.
And this one,
This one, that's really, I raised a little bit. This one.
yeah, it's so pretty. Like it's so red in the middle. What about this cardoon? It's different. It's so pretty, the flowers. Ta-da. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna walk straight through this kitchen.
Oh, there's a.
Yeah. Look at this one. It's big. Look.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's short, but it's like
Mm-hmm.
fat.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
Like, wow.